Happy Pi Day. Say Happy Pi Day. Happy Pi Day. Yeah. Happy Pi Day. We just wanted to stop by and wish everybody a happy Pi Day. This is Scout and this is Preston right here. They're excited. They're very excited to say Happy Pi Day and say Mommy has on her pie shirt, right? Happy Pi Day. You're not going to say Happy Pi Day to the people? Say Happy Pi Day. We hope y'all have a good Pi Day and that you have a great weekend. In the post, I kind of listed some facts about pi. You've heard about pi before throughout your academic journey. You always heard it's 3.14. Well, I'm going to tell you some more interesting facts about pi and why it's so very cool because we are in a math class, okay? So we just wanted to stop by and tell y'all that. You want to say bye? Say bye? Oh, say bye. We can get a treat? Oh, we focus when we get a treat, huh? All right, y'all. Bye-bye.